Stay in the car.
Oh, stay in the car. Okay.
On Groupon, we have the synthetic. Next time,
Next time, do the full, right?
you know what? You know what we can do next time? Just come over, show me the price. Don't buy the coupon. You show me the price, and I give you the same price.
Are you sure?
Whatever price is here, I match it up, and
Okay.
I'm gonna pay you.
Okay.
Good?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, man.
See you next time.
See you next time. Thank you. Can I get the pick any two doubles? Can I get one double checker burger and one spicy chicken double? Medium. Can I get the pib extra, please?